Textile landscapes. When I began many moons ago twiddling and fiddling, nipping and tucking, and you've all heard me say that before, I decided you could use the textural techniques I came up with to create a landscape. And indeed, in the second book that I wrote, Tucks and Textures 2, because it was the second one I wrote, there are landscapes, and indeed the full instructions on how to make a landscape. I begin all my landscapes on a basis of some form of wadding, because the brain really does like to see things nice and straight. And I can use these to frame the piece of work and give me an idea as to what the finished design might well look at. And it's sort of, you home in on the finished picture, and it gives you a much clearer idea of what it's going to look like when you've actually done it. And there, as you can see, is a landscape.